The number of COVID-19 cases continues to rise here at home. York Region and Toronto and Peel all reporting cases, bringing the province's total number of cases up to 28 now. 6 of those cases reported in the last 2 days. 3 in Toronto with travel history to Italy, Iran, and Las Vegas. Peel also reporting its first 2 cases, a Mississauga couple who had been on a cruise in San Francisco. Including cases in BC, Alberta, and Quebec, the total number in Canada now stands at 59. But health officials are urging calm, saying the risk to the general population remains low. At least 8 Canadian cases have been resolved, and there have been no reported deaths. But tonight, new concerns about a local outbreak as BC confirms multiple positive cases of the virus likely contracted within the community. Those concerns already causing major cancellations of events across the country. Here in Toronto, one of the biggest tech conferences in North America has been called off and is now moving online. The Collision Technology Conference brings together some of the biggest names in tech and startups. It was scheduled to take place in Toronto at the end of June, but on Friday, organizers announced the physical event would be cancelled. In its place, an online conference they're calling Collision from Home. In a statement, Collision's founder said, "For now, given the evolving nature of COVID-19, we think gathering tens of thousands of people from almost every country in the world in one place this June would be irresponsible. Toronto has not suffered a significant COVID-19 outbreak, and at Collision, we want to ensure that remains the case." The cancellation comes with a substantial economic impact to the city, something Premier Ford expressed concern about as the number of cases grow.
Taking a hit on the economy, that's what makes me nervous. We're doing everything we can to make sure that we keep the economy moving forward in a positive fashion.
Students are also feeling the impact. The Toronto District School Board has cancelled all upcoming European trips, 15 in total, saying it cannot possibly operate these trips safely with the elevated risk associated with COVID-19. And locally, municipal bodies are ramping up their protective measures. After news that a passenger who tested positive for the virus rode public transit, the TTC has taken extra sanitation measures on that route in response to rider concerns. That's already in addition to the daily wipe downs on vehicles and in stations.
One of the initiatives that we put together was an extra deep clean, doing a hospital-grade disinfectant to go and clean the inside of our vehicles every night. And it's our way of cleaning our own hands to help our customers realize that we're doing our bit for this as well.
So I would just say to people, continue to go about your life. I have been using the public transit, as has the Chief Medical Officer of Health, and we'll all keep doing that until she advises otherwise. But I should also say, if you're feeling sick, then don't go on the public transit.
Meanwhile, in sports, the International Ice Hockey Federation has cancelled the Women's World Hockey Championship. It was set to open in Nova Scotia at the end of March. Representatives from Hockey Canada expressed disappointment, but the organization's CEO added this decision was made in the best interest of the players, fans, staff, volunteers, and the general public, and we fully support the IIHF's decision.